Welcome back. Let's continue practicing simplified ratios. This time we're going to write a ratio in the form width to length. Let's look at the first one. Width is 4 inches. Length is 12 inches. Everything is set up in the same units. Therefore, we're going to say it's 4 to 12. Don't stop here. We simplify. That's 1, 2, 3. We can also write as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's look at next one. 6 meter, 10 meter, width to length. Therefore, we have 6 to 10. Do not stop here. We're going to simplify. 6 is 2 times 3. 10 is 2 times 5. 2 divided by 2, that's 1. We have 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Alright, the last one. Let's check units. We have 1 foot. 18 inches here. Alright, we need to get the same units. So 1 foot is 12 inches. And over 18 inches, 12 inches to 18 inches. 12 is 2 times 6. 18 is 3 times 6. 6 divided by 6, that is 1. We have 2 to 3. So the ratio simplified is 2 to 3 or 2 to 3. Oh, a little bit crowded. That's okay. We are done here. Happy learning.